Life is a race. Some run to win,
while others run to grow stronger.
Today, the spirit of strength and camaraderie shines brightly at the Grand Ryan Marathon 2025 being held in Navi Mumbai.
The Ryan International Group of Institution continues its proud tradition of cultivating excellence through sports through this magnificent event.
Over 10,000 students from 14 schools across Navi Mumbai have gathered here, making this day a celebration of unity and fitness.
Since 1998, Ryan Marathon has been inspiring young athletes across India, encouraging dreams, discipline, and a love for sports. Here are glimpses of the grand sporting event. Congratulations, ma'am, on the 26th Ryan Marathon. Can you please tell us about the journey and the vision of this grand event?
Firstly, I'm grateful to Christ for this opportunity, this privilege of being able to be a steward of so many destinies entering the Ryan Group. On behalf of Chairman Sir, Dr. F. Pinto, and Managing Director, Madam Grace Pinto, I extend heartfelt congratulations to all our participants for really being a part of the 26th Ryan Marathon. This started years ago with a vision that we prepare our young ones for the Olympics. In a little over 10 years, we will have Olympics being hosted by our nation, India, and that's why, back then, the vision was to raise up young Olympians within our schools. And really, school is where you sow the seeds of holistic development, a larger perspective to life, a well-rounded perspective, and sportsmanship is one of them. Sports and arts are integral to the process of education, and that's why I'm just so grateful that our children continue to participate year after year. We have over 10,000 participating every year, and our largest group being under 14 and under 12. And it's been heartfelt, it's been gratifying to see many of them actually take up sports as a career, as their vocation in the years to come. So this is where it all begins. Marathon and many events like the Marathon within the group that we hold that really shape and nurture sportsmanship and really life skills in our children. So yeah, it's been a very, very adventurous journey. But I know Sir and Ma'am would not do without the team of people. So we are very grateful to our teams of people. We have our Ryan Sports Club team members who really make sure that they organize, they do this year after year across the cities, not just in Mumbai. So yes, very excited and very grateful to be here. Please share your feedback on the 26th Ryan Marathon.
मुझे आनंद है कि ऐसा ही रायन में इंटरनेशनल स्कूल के माध्यम से ऐसे ही मैराथन हो या बाकी की एक्टिविटीज़ हो वो होनी चाहिए।
हम लोग को बहुत गर्व है कि ये स्कूल अच्छा से और ज़्यादा बढ़े और हमारे बच्चे यहाँ पे अच्छे परसेंटेज लेके यूएस अमेरिका ऐसे अपना नाम कमाए।
What a wonderful event.
Ryanites, keep running, keep going, never give up. And wherever you go and whatever you do, always remember you carry the fragrance of Ryan with you.
It was a lovely start. It's a good event. I am very glad to be here and thankful to the Ryan International.
प्रोग्राम था बहुत ही अच्छा हुआ है, बहुत अच्छा ऑर्गेनाइज किया है।
26th Ryan Marathon is an excellent sports gesture which Ryan is doing.
I'm really happy that this school will produce many sportsmen in various sports to make this school's name a big.
It was very refreshing to see all the kids participating, doing so well and so disciplined and so humble.
This was really such a very great program conducted by Ryan Group.
It was very wonderful and everyone was enjoying. Every student was participating very well and every student should participate, and all the best for the others.
The Ryan Marathon event was very good.
It was a very nostalgic experience and I felt really valued, and the event was organized really well.
I love the energy of each and every kid who performed in the event. It was a very nice event.
Very good initiative for the kids, and I hope this grows bigger and bigger each and every year or for the students.
It's just been a great experience today, nostalgic and just an overall a good feel.
To be here looking at the young ones, it was beautiful, it was great, and I'm really glad that you all have got to see.
It was a very energetic performance done by the kids.
It was very inspiring to see young Kedanas participating in this tournament for 26th year.
Wish and pray this marathon, is as big as, the Standard Chartered Marathon.
Thanks to Pinto sir and Pinto ma'am doing all this opportunity to bring towards the students.
The whole idea of these kids coming on a Sunday morning, participating, they all have made an effort to come, which is so important.
The event was really well organized, and congratulations to all the winners.
What position have you all secured and how do you feel being a part of this marathon?
I will thank to our respected chairman sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and our managing director madam Dr. Grace Pinto and the entire Ryan family for giving us this golden opportunity to be a part of 26th Ryan Marathon. Heartfelt congratulations to all the winners, and a big salute to every participant for giving their absolute best today.
Thank you to our esteemed guests, volunteers and all the participating schools of Navi Mumbai for making Ryan Marathon 2025 a memorable occasion.
We would like to thank our chairman sir Dr. A.F. Pinto and managing director madam Dr. Grace Pinto for providing us with this incredible platform. On that note, this is Vijay Rudra
And this is Vijay Kshitij signing off from Ryan Marathon 2025 for Young Journos on Ryan TV.